How to make 3 or more videos split screen effect on CapCut. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can make 3 or more split screen effect videos on CapCut. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to import all of your videos on CapCut and make sure to drag them all in your timeline. Once you're done with that, select your first video. Head towards this menu bar on your right hand side. There under the blend, click on it. There you will find an option for opacity, so you have to decrease the opacity for the first video. Once you're done with that, now select the second video. Again, decrease its opacity. After you're done with decreasing the opacity, select your first video, click on this mask, and here select the horizontal. So once you're done with that, you will see this loop icon. Here you have to click on it with the help of your mouse, and you can rotate it in the screen and then place it wherever you like to place, so that your first video is placed within this area right here, covered by this line. If you want to decrease or increase the area, you can click on this line and then simply drag by clicking on it and then place it wherever you like, or select the area where you want your first video to place. Once you're done with that, again select your second video and again click on mask. Here select horizontal. Again you will see this vertical line. You have to repeat the same for your second video. Click on this loop like icon with the help of your mouse and your fingertip if you're using laptop, or simply click on your mouse, and then you have to rotate it and select the area so that it will be covered by your second video. If you want to increase or decrease the area, again click on this line and then you can simply drag it and place it wherever you like. Once you're done with this, now you have to select your first video and then you have to increase the opacity. Click on basic, head towards the blend. Now you have to increase the opacity to full 100%. Select your second video, again increase its opacity, and there is your third video. Now if you play your video from the beginning, you will see the split screen effect on your video, and that's how you can create split screen effect on your video on CapCut. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.